Exercise 11.1 problem 13 solution. Mean of 100 items is 48 and their standard deviation is 10. Find the sum of all the items and sum of all the squares of all the items. Sum of all the items we need to find, and we need to find the squares also. So they have given the mean and they have given the standard deviation. I think if you use the formulas you should be able to get it. So standard deviation is 10, the variance is 10 square, that is 100. And you should be able to, and what is the mean? Mean is sigma x divided by n. N is also given. So from that you will be able to get sigma x. Similarly, from the variance, you will be able to get the value of sigma x square. Okay. So with that in mind, let's work it out. So here the mean x bar is 48. N number of items is 100. Sigma is 10. The standard deviation is 10. And the variance is 100, right? Because 10 square. We have the mean equal to sigma x by n. So in this formula, this is known, the mean is known, which is 48, n is known, this is 100. So if you substitute and simplify, you'll be able to get sigma x. That is what we are asked to find, sum of all the items, right? The first part. So x is 48, so it will be sigma x by n, that is sigma x by 100, where n is 100. So sigma x will be 48 into 100, that is 4800. Okay, now similarly, we'll have to write a formula for variance, which is sigma square, that is sigma x square by n minus sigma x by n the whole square, or actually this is mean square. Either way it's the same. So in this case, sigma square is known, 10 square, n is known 100, sigma x is known, okay, sigma x is 4800, again n is known, which is 100. Okay, or the formula is sigma x square by n minus mean square. So mean, this is mean is 48, right? So it will be 48 square. Either way it will come out the same. Okay, so in this formula we know everything except sigma x square, so which is the sum of all the squares of all the items. So we should be able to calculate it by substituting and simplify. So substitute the values. This is 10 square 100, sigma x square by 100 because n is 100, minus sigma x, which is 4800 by n is 100 the whole square. So this 100 will be sigma x square by 100, and this two zeros will cancel off, so it will be 48 the whole square. If you can see, that's what I told you, minus mean square. Mean is 48, right? It will be the same. Okay, so sigma x square by 100 minus 48 square, or sigma x square by 100 will be 100 plus 48 square, right? Which is 48 square is 2304. So altogether it adds up 2404. Sigma x square will be 100 into 2404. So that is actually it's a power. It's not coming out well in the formulas here. Okay. So x square, it should be a superscript. So it will be 2404 into 100. That is 2,40,400. So in this problem, the sigma x is 4800 and sigma of x square, that is the sum of all the x square of all the items, is 2,40,400. Okay, so the key is you should remember these two formulas. If you remember these formulas, then it is basically substitution and simplification. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching this video.